The white zone is for immediate loading and unloading of passengers only.
Well, happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore from Devore Realty Group with your Monday market moment. We have lots of interesting stats to talk about, some reversals in the market, perhaps. So let's take a look and see what is happening today, right now, in the real estate market in San Diego County. Right now, we have 5,066 total homes for sale. That's down 74 from last week. Median list price of those homes, $895,000. Pending sales, 2609. That's up 21 from last week. So fewer homes on the market, more homes going into escrow. Median list price of those homes, $799. Months of inventory, 2.23. Slight drop of 0.05 months, down again to 2.23 months of inventory. Since last week, we saw 932 homes come on the market. It's a drop of 44 from last week. So 2 weeks in a row, fewer homes came on the market than came on the market the week prior. Median list price, $844,066. New pendings, 498, slight drop of 4 from last week. Median list price, $798,900. Average days on market, though, huge jump, 25 days. It is definitely taking longer for homes to sell right now. Jump of 5 days since last week. New pendings listed within last week, 20. So 4% of homes sold within a week. And then 31% of homes sold within 2 weeks. 154 homes went into escrow in the last 2 weeks that were listed within the last week that were listed in the last 2 weeks. Since last week again, total closed sales, 433. Jump of 15 closed sales from the week before. $799,900 was a median list price. That's a drop of 27.1. Median sales price, $815. So we had seen the median list price and the median sales price was about the same, and we're seeing a little bit of uptick in the median list price, sales price rather, being above the median list price again. Interesting to see if that continues. Average days on market was 11. That's down 1 day from last week, but again, those are the closed sales. The pending sales, we're seeing higher numbers. Least expensive sale, $170,000 in El Cajon, and for the first time ever in the Monday market moment, there was a tie for the most expensive sale at $7 million. One was in Santa Luz and one was in Coronado, probably not on the water. Here's the graph showing new actives, new pendings, and new solds. We can see the trend line of the new actives coming on the market. Big jump in sort of the middle of June. It dropped a little bit, of course, as we went into the 4th of July, and then uptick again. But since then, it's been steadily dropping. Pendings are still kind of bouncing around. Same are closed sales. Here's the graph showing median list price and median sales price. Again, for the first time in a few weeks, the median sales price was above median list price. HomeDex report came out from the North San Diego County Association of Realtors. This shows the 4 different quadrants of San Diego County, and July numbers for East San Diego County, Metro, which is downtown and surrounding areas, North County, and South County. Across the board, all had increases in the median sales price, the lowest being East County, the highest being Metro. Percentage of original price received were all dropped, however. So relative to list price, homes are selling for less than they were before. Days on market up across the board. In some cases, like South County, 50% higher days on market for those homes that closed in July. And closed sales were down across the board, almost 50% in every single quadrant. Way fewer homes closing escrow. And here's why. New listings over the last few years. In the month of July, we saw 1,549 homes come on the market in the month of July of 2020, down to 1,407, down to 1,054 in 2022. This is for single-family homes. For the single-family attached homes, again, fewer homes coming on the market than in the previous years. Year to date, were 1,000 below a couple of years ago in the single-family detached homes. Pending sales dropping quite a bit, almost half the number of pending sales this year as we did a couple of years ago for the single-family detached homes. Same for attached. Year-to-date numbers are way off for both detached and attached homes. Closed sales also way down across the board in every category. We're just seeing with the effect of rising interest rates in the months of April, May, June, translating into closed sales in July. And days on market until sale it's going up. It was 31 days, which was sort of a normal market a couple of years ago, down to 14 last year, but up now to 19. And then again, across the board for the single family detached homes. And actually for year to date, though, it's still a little bit lower than it was last year. I think we'll see that number probably start reversing. If you are a home seller, what does it all mean for you? If you need to sell, you should sell. Home prices will likely continue to soften in the coming months, won't likely increase again until after the recession, which we are in one right now. If you're a home buyer, interest rates have calmed down for now. They were going up quite a bit. They've actually come down a little bit. Do your shopping, and if you see the right home, make the purchase. If you need to buy a home, go buy a home. You can always refinance later if rates come down. If you don't see the right home, though, wait to buy. Maybe you want to see if prices come down, etc. If you're not pushed to buy, then don't make that purchase quite yet. Here's a great way to track your home's value, the HomeDex, I'm sorry, not the HomeDex report, the HomeBot. You can scan this QR code and it'll go right to the HomeBot site. You can put in your web address. You can see generally some information about the value of your home. It does lag what's really going on out there, but it's a good way to keep track of what's going on because you get a monthly report of what your home's value might be. You can also put in your interest rate, your loan type. You can calculate how much equity you might have. So it's a lot of good tools here at the HomeBot. So again, scan this code, or you can go, you can send me an email, Bryan@DevoreRealtyGroup.com, and you can send me an email. I'll be happy to set you up on the HomeBot. Don't forget on my YouTube channel to visit the tips and tricks playlist, and you can check out all the latest tips and tricks on buying and selling homes right now. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next Monday.
You've been watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email request to Bryan@DevoreRealtyGroup.com.